Hey guys, this is my submission for this challenge account list prototype JavaScript remoting and Bootstrap. This is my second top coder challenge, so I hope you like it. So what I've done is I have created an unmanaged package, and after you install the unmanaged package, you should be seeing a app called account search. Just click on the account search, and there is this tab account search where you can click on it. And this is all the customized page. It is using the Bootstrap, JavaScript remoting, and data tables to generate the data in a tabular format. So you can see this is an account search, and you can search by account name. By clicking the home, it goes back to the standard Salesforce UI. So it's a type ahead search, so you can just basically search and it's gonna return you all the records. So these are all the records that are returned, and you can see that there are 104 entries. You can do like a order by on anything, billing city or billing street, or it's all included. And the ones that are highlighted in red are the accounts that have the account owner as the current user. So there is also this view if you wanted to choose a view all accounts, and you can see that the pagination is there, and it can also select the number of records per page. So that's there. You can click on the next, previous. You can also do a search. So let's see. So I search for Boston, so I can see all the Boston. And you can choose a view, and it's gonna return like just the my accounts versus all accounts, which are all these accounts. So uh, and the next thing is by so there is a requirement to, when you click on any of the row, it needs to take you to the detail page. So I click on this row and it takes you to the detail page. So this is the account details. This is a field set, and the contacts view, which is also a list which shows up like this. You can basically do the same thing. And when you click on the back button, it's going to take you back to the search. Uh, let's do so Burlington. There's only one record. So that's basically the requirement. What I did was I was not able to search for upload 200K records, so I was not able to basically do that high volume. But let me know if you are having an org that has like more than 200K records. Let me know how the performance is and if it is performing as expected, because I'm expecting that it should be like fairly quick. I tested it on the Internet Explorer and it's like working good. I just didn't get a chance to test it on the like a high volume data. But let me go back. So there are 4 custom labels that I have created. Account detail page. You don't need to change these labels unless you wanted to change the page name, but the detail page and the search page are the same. But for the list views, I'm sorry, for the field sets, so there are like the custom labels. So the account list view field set is the field set that is used when showing that list on the table. So this one, account name, billing street, billing city, this one is using a field set. That's this field set. So you basically don't have to change the code. If you wanted to change the field set, just change the label and it should automatically work. The same thing for the detail view and the contact list view. So all our field sets and everything is configurable, so you don't really need to make the changes to the code. Coming to the code, uh, what I did was I created 2 Visual Force pages. The one is the search page and the other one is the detail page, and they are using the same controller per se. So this is only, I have only one controller that has like few remote action methods that are doing the Visual Force remoting. And for the related list, I am using a Visual Force component, which is pretty much extendable to any related list on the account. All you have to provide is the name of the field set that you are using, the object, the label of the object that you wanted to display, the parent ID, which is nothing but the account ID, and the parent field. So if you are having a custom relationship on account, so the field name of that custom relationship you have to provide here. and that's it. So that's as easy as it, and you can basically configure any related list from the account on the detail page. And as I said, I'm using the data tables, so where I'm populating the data from the JavaScript remoting. So I call the search accounts, which is a remoting method, and I'm populating the data, like building an array and populating it into the data table. I'm just adding the rows. And the zeroth row or zeroth column is always an ID in my whole app, which is also invisible because I just wanted to make sure that I have that ID, Salesforce ID, listed out. A few other things that I wanted to provide, ask. So when you click on this one over here, it takes you to the standard page. If at all you wanted to go back to the standard page, and you click on the search, it takes you to the search page. And let's see. Let's see. Okay. And you on the contacts also, if you click on that one, it takes you to the standard contact view. So any list view, if you click on the list view record, other than on the search page, it takes you to the standard Salesforce views. So that's basically it. I hope you like my submission. And since I'm using Bootstrap, you can basically customize this in any way you want. I did not try the Bootstrap 3, which is I think still in the alpha release, but it is Bootstrap 2 version 2, the previous version. So I hope you like my submission. Thank you. Bye bye.